Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Ninja Martial Arts lessons today. In this lesson, we're going to be doing some awesome ninja moves. Now make sure before you guys start this video, hit the like button and also subscribe, because at the very end of the video, I'm going to be announcing a very special giveaway to one of our subscribers. So make sure, like the video, subscribe, click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Now also, here's what's going to be a little different about the videos moving forward. As you see down below, there's going to be a time code. Now each time code is going to be set up for very different things that we're going to be doing. So make sure you guys stick with the video to the very end, okay, and finish the time code all the way through, so that way you guys know if you guys can get the prize. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, let's get started with the lesson. Chariot? Kanye? Awesome. All right, we're going to start with a warm-up, counting in Korean. Repeat after me. Everyone say Hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now hands on our hips just like this. Good. Now we're going to start rotating our neck like this way. Everyone say Hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, elbows up like this. We're going to twist to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're going to pick up one knee, hold it like this. 하나. Now the other one. 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, one more warm up. This time we're going to have our hands underneath like this. We're going to bend down. How about say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Good. All right, ready? Everyone, chariot. Good. Kanye. Awesome. All right, here's the first ninja move we're going to do. We're going to practice, okay, a knife hand. So I'm going to have your hands like this. Now, when you guys make a knife hand, you're going to have your fingers up like this. I want you guys to know, to see how I'm bending it, we're going to push this part of our hand out. Kind of like, looks like a question mark, okay? So we're going to be hitting with this side. So we're going to practice a straight knife hand. So I want to cross your arm like this. And when I say hana, we're going to go straight out here. Okay, hand on the rib cage. Ready? Everyone cross like this. Everyone say hana. Good, nice. Hand cross like this. Everyone say do it. Good, nice. Cross over like this. Set. Good, cross over and net. Good, one more and pass it. Awesome, good job. Okay, now this time we're gonna do straight knife hand and then twisting knife hand. Okay, so I'll show you from this angle. Everyone say straight knife hand, twisting knife hand. Okay, and you're twisting your hips, turning your shoulders like this. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? Everyone say straight knife hand, hand on the ear like this, twisting knife hand. Awesome, good job, you guys. Ready? Straight knife hand, twisting knife hand. Awesome, good job again. Everyone say straight knife hand, twisting knife hand. Awesome, good. Okay, now next knife technique we're gonna do. We're gonna do straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, and then we're gonna do something called ridge hand. So we're gonna take the back of our hand right here, and we're going to hook, like we're throwing a hook punch, but with the back like this, ridge hand. Okay, let's try that together. Everyone, hands up here. Good, everyone say straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand. Good, awesome. Again, ready? Straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand. Good, nice, good job, you guys. One more time. Straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand. Awesome, good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome, very good job. All right, everyone, chariot. All right, now we're gonna be really still. Don't move, don't wiggle, don't wiggle. Good, awesome. All right, now we're gonna play a little game. Here's what's gonna happen. There's gonna be shurikens. Okay, shurikens are like ninja stars that get thrown. What's gonna happen is that they're gonna be coming over our head like this, left and right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to squat, and then if it goes down to our legs, we gotta jump. Does that make sense? You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, all right, let's try it together. Ready? Hands up like this. All right, get ready to duck. Ready, duck. Good, good job, duck. Good, good work, duck. Awesome job, you guys, duck. Good, good, duck. Good, good, duck. Awesome, all right, now get ready to jump this time. Ready, jump. Good, good job, jump. Good, jump. Good, jump. Awesome, okay, now sometimes it's gonna be ducking, sometimes we're gonna jump. So make sure you're ready for both. Ready? And duck. Good, jump. Good, duck. And jump. Good job, everybody, duck. Good, jump. Good, two more, duck. Good, duck. Oh, good, be careful. Ready? Jump. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, all right, we're gonna play another game. Now this time, here's what we're going to do. we're gonna be in fighting stance like this. Now, what's gonna happen is that a ninja is gonna show up. Okay, now when the ninja shows up, we're gonna practice this combination. We're gonna go straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, and then after we do that, we're gonna throw a cross hook cross. Okay, so again, just to review, straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, cross hook cross. Right at the ninja. Okay, then he'll blast away. Make sense? Awesome, you guys. All right, let's start. Ready? And here comes the first one. Straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, cross hook cross. Good, nice. And make sure you guys say the words with me, okay? If you say the words, you'll learn the material better too. Ready? I'm gonna say straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, cross, hook, cross. Awesome, good job you guys. All right, 2 more times, ready? And straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, cross, hook, cross. Awesome, all right, we're gonna have a race. Who's the fastest? We're gonna go really quick, okay? Ready, and go. Straight knife hand, twisting knife hand, ridge hand, cross, hook, cross. Nice, good job you guys, high five. Awesome, very, very good work. All right, Chariot. Good, Kanye. Awesome, all right guys, well, let's find out who won the prize. Okay, I'm gonna set this wheel right here. All right. Awesome, okay, so if this is your name, the parents, if this is your child's username or your username, make sure you send me a message on my About page on my channel, okay? Now let's see what you guys are winning today, let's see. Awesome, all right, you guys got a pair of Tide pads. So make sure you guys message me on the About page. If this is you, make sure you message me, parents, message me on the About page on my channel. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Face here, Chariot, Kanye. Awesome, all right guys, see you later, bye-bye.